Welcome to the ThinkCell tutorials. The ThinkCell tools offer smart and efficient ways to enhance your PowerPoint workflow. The ThinkCell tools are on the ThinkCell tab, which is organized from left to right to reflect the process of creating a presentation. Let's take a look at the tools for sending and saving slides. With these tools, you can send or save an entire presentation or a selection of slides combined in a new presentation. The Send Slides tool creates a presentation that contains the slides that you want to share. You can attach this presentation to any email or instant message. With Send Slides, you can securely send a selection of slides without sharing the original presentation. To send slides, on the Insert tab, open the Tools menu and select Send Slides. Send Slides is also conveniently located on the ThinkCell tab. In Name of Attachment, you can name the new file. If you want to add a timestamp to the file name, select Include Date and Time. To remove the timestamp, clear the checkbox. If you want to send the entire presentation, choose Entire Presentation. If you want to send a selection of slides, choose Selected Slide. You can adjust your selection even while the Send Slides dialog is open. Next, we have cleanup options that help you remove sensitive information, comments, and other unwanted content. To learn more about the cleanup options, see the Cleanup and Sanitize tutorial. Any cleanup options that you select apply to the new attachment and don't affect the original presentation. If you want to add a PDF of the presentation to your email in addition to a PowerPoint file, select Add PDF. To send the presentation in PDF format only, in the file name, change the file extension to PDF. To add the attachment to any email or instant message, select Copy to Clipboard. In your preferred email or messaging app, paste the attachment into your message. If you want to send the presentation in a compressed zip folder, for example, if you're sending both a PowerPoint file and a PDF, select Zip Attachment. If you're not sure whether the recipient has ThinkCell, you can add a link in the email to download the ThinkCell add-in. Although anyone can use ThinkCell charts with built-in PowerPoint tools, it's easier to collaborate if everyone has ThinkCell installed. If you want to create a new email in your default email app with the new presentation attached, select Compose Email. The Save Slides tool creates a PowerPoint file that contains the slides that you want to save. If you want to save specific slides rather than the entire presentation, first select the slides that you want to save. Then, on the Insert tab, in the Tools menu, select Save Slides. Save Slides is also conveniently located on the ThinkCell tab. In the Save Slides dialog, you can choose where you want to save the new PowerPoint file, name the file, and choose the file type, for example, PDF. Just like the Send Slides tool, the Save Slides dialog has options to include a timestamp, save your selected slides or the entire presentation, and clean up the new presentation. When you're finished, select Save. The new presentation will open so you can further edit it if you want. That's it for this tutorial on sending and saving slides. To learn how to use more time-saving tools, see the user manual or other ThinkCell tools tutorials.